Sis, you all right?
I feel like a failure.
No, don't say
I've
that.
let her down. I've been too busy. I've been working too much.
No, we're not going to do that, okay? This stuff happens in whānau. It's not about something you did or didn't do.
I didn't want this for my girl.
We don't get to choose the paths our kids take. All we can do is awhi them.
I can't believe she's here. I can't believe it.
Well, you were the same age.
17, exactly. And I didn't want that for her. I didn't want that for me.
Do you remember what Mum said when you told her that you were hapu?
Well, I remember what Dad said. My baby's having a baby.
And what did Mum say?
This is the luckiest baby.
Yeah. And she was.
Yeah.
So this is what we're going to do. We're going to tautoko her. We're going to tautoko that lucky pepe. And we're going to support you. We're going to work together as a whānau.
Yeah.
Do you know what I'm really stoked about? That you're going to be a nanny before me.
Shut up.
God, you nannies are so sensitive.